is the view on the other side of the Ponte Rialto. I'm going to see if I can try to get the sunset in. You guys see that? It's really pretty. I wish you could see it. It's so beautiful. I love Venice. Bethany, say hi.
Hi!
Where's Eric?
Right behind you.
Eric, say hi. No, this is the moment where you talk again. Like the last video I made, and you just sit still.
I made
Hi. Oh, you're just not making a video.
No, I made one. I'm going to make another one.
Hello, this is the other side of the most Now you hear Bethany narrating.
Look, yes, I'm narrating.
Look at the gondola! The gondola ride is so cool. It didn't cost like 80 bajillion euros. Totally be doing that.
I'm just going to take a picture.
And legend says, and for those of you who know, or I found this out, you know, you're as much of a Grey's Anatomy freak as I am. Legend says, according to Grey's Anatomy, that if you take a ride on the gondola and you go under the arches, that secures your like togetherness for eternity. So cool. Anyway, alrighty, we're gonna stop this video now too.